gonna do kind of like a it ain't no throwback. I found an old video before I actually painted my living room and moved my furniture around. So I want to show you those two videos. Is it 2 or 3? I think it's 3 videos. Then I'm going to show you how it looks currently, so you can see the changes that I've made so far. And I can't believe I started this in 2019, guys. 2019. Hey, it is what it is. So of course, yeah, it's still not finished, but I still was impressed by, like, all right, I did do a little something. Okay, guys, I want to show y'all a before of my living room. Y'all, I'm gonna try to clean it tonight, so I was like, let me hurry up and take this video so y'all can get the full understanding before I clean it up and before it get painted and all that good stuff. It's lagging because my phone sucks. But anyway, y'all get the gist. Junk everywhere, because half this stuff is from my bedroom, as y'all just saw the headboard. I got 100 chairs and just stuff literally everywhere. But y'all wanted y'all to get the full view.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
Okay, today is December 31st, 2019. And I just wanted to show you that, yes, my house is still a mess, but guess what? It is progress. And I just want to just show once again a quick before. Okay, y'all, and this is how I look today. Of course, y'all know I still got to put the rug down, but I finished painting it by myself. I moved all the furniture by myself, added a couple new pieces, not that many. I'm still, like, things that y'all seeing is not going to be, not all of it's going to be permanent fixtures. They're just, I had to find a place for them. For instance, like this, I still need to hang this up on the wall. And then some other little things. Y'all, this is not my couch, by the way. This is my mom's couch. So both these 2 items will be gone out my life. And y'all see this area is still junky. It is what it is. That's my little storage area. Till all this is removed, I'm still using this as my storage area. But hey, I still think, okay, let me pan out a little bit more. Because see, I painted all of it, guys. And I'm going to still give, once everything is updated, I'm going to give a real tour. This just to show y'all my progress. Yeah. So I told y'all, I have, like, curtains, everything is new. And of course, you already know. I already told y'all I got to get, it still need fine tuning basically, but the overall, y'all see the majority of the change. So that's it, guys, for now. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Tell your mom, tell your friends, tell everybody to watch. Deuces.